I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can merge two PowerPoints presentation together. Now, for example, here I have this PowerPoint presentation. I'm gonna duplicate a couple of the slides, and I'm gonna put in some sample text here. I'm gonna put in 223, and I'm gonna put this 554, and I'm gonna do this 787, just for examples, right? Now, for this, I'm gonna click on Save As, and I'm gonna save it to my folder here, and I'm gonna call this PowerPoint 1, right? So PowerPoint 1, for example. And then now I'm gonna make a new PowerPoint. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna do gallery. I'm gonna click on create. Now on here, when I want to merge the two PowerPoint together, I want to click on new slide. And on new slide, I want to click on reuse slides. Now on reuse slides, you want to click on browse. And you want to find your PowerPoint that you saved earlier. For my case, it'll be PowerPoint 1. And I'm gonna click on open. And you can see here, there's a couple of my PowerPoint here, right? But when I click on it, it'll import it, but it won't import the format, right? Now, we don't want that. Let me just delete this. I'm going to delete the slide. Now, the thing we're going to do is we're going to check the bottom box here, keep source formatting. And we're going to right click, and we're going to click on insert all slides to automatically merge it all. Now you can see, there you go. We have imported and we have merged our PowerPoint per se into one big PowerPoint just like this. So we have this theme and we have the previous theme and the previous slides from our previous presentations. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.